Let me check that out. Oh, yep, I see. There we go. That should be better now. There we go. Okay. Thanks for letting me know, Oni. I really appreciate it. First time I think I've seen you here. Welcome, welcome. Um, oh, now my dad is calling me. One moment. Good question, Oni. Kind of, and yes. Like, who isn't today? I'm not like I don't have a long background in software development, but I've been learning software development. LLMs help. Also, Atlassian Space and Forge is really great, and so I've been working on learning stuff there too. Oh, cool. We got a couple of folks over on YouTube. Howdy, YouTube folks. How's it going? Um, what about you, Oni? What do you do? Are you a developer? Trying to see who's here. It's just me. It's really fascinating the way that Atlassian sort of tells you who's around and who isn't, because I don't really, or YouTube, it's not real. The numbers aren't real. But let's hop into what's been going on in Atlassian, the Atlassian ecosystem. Okay. One of these is the right window. That one. Ah, you focus on world building. Very cool. Very cool. I am a huge D&D fan. So shout out to world building. All right, let me go ahead and switch to this screen. There we go. So, what have the forums been up to? Let's find out. All right, what has Atlassian been up? Ah, they're working on, so there's some cool stuff happening now with Atlassian's been putting together a bunch of great stuff when it comes to using Rovo. And so there's some great ways, some shout outs to Rovo here. Um, what else we got? For gaming, World Bibles, level design, music, and audio engineering. Cool. My background's actually in music and theater. Atlassian is a company that makes workflow management products. So their tagline is, if you're a software developer, a lot of people will use um, Atlassian products to manage things. So Jira is like a bug tracker and software development lifecycle management tool. Confluence is a knowledge management solution. I guess Jira is really project management. Jira service management is how you often like do work with customers or with internal people if you're IT. As a developer, we've also got Bitbucket, which is like GitHub. Pipelines is CI/CD. Rovo Dev is Atlassian's own agentic AI. Compass is a software catalog for teams. There's also tools for product managers. If you're capturing ideas and things that where you're thinking about how you're supposed to do something, Jira Product Discovery is really great. Loom lets you make really cool, quick videos. Um, and then they've got some tools to go all the way up to leadership teams. One of the coolest things about Atlassian, if you're looking at things like this, and I want to shout this out because they make it really easy for people who are very like small to get started. Um, the pricing on Jira, if you have 10 people, like you can get the free version forever up for 10 people. So if you're trying to organize your work, you're trying to keep track of the stuff you're working on, 10 users, it's all free. And if you want to just go for just you, $9 a month and you get all of their AI stuff as well, which is really cool. All right, all right. So what else has Atlassian been up to? And I've been away for a month and a half. So there's a lot of catching up I'm doing. Anything for project design, like Obsidian? Yeah, I mean, Confluence would really be the great one for project design. Let me just show you really quick here. Let me just get into one of my 100-something sites. Oh, this one's too old now. They got rid of it. Here, we'll just go into this one. It's an older one, but I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, I can come in here and you can like really easily create, you can whiteboard stuff. So if you're trying to think about how to put something together, okay, well, yeah, we'll do just, we're trying to think about how we want to put something together. We can just quickly, like you can start brainstorming and thinking about what you might want to put down. You can draw new shapes, all that good stuff, connect things together. So your typical sort of like whiteboarding stuff. But then also if you just want to like write, you can come in here and be like, you can go ahead and upload an image. Kaithra, hey! Let me know if you want to come on and join, Kaithra. I'll shoot you an invite to come on over, to come on and join and chat about whatever you want. Because right now it's not. It's just us. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is pretty cool. I hadn't seen this yet. Atlassian just announced 4 hours ago. This is incredible. Sorry, I have dogs. 100% off discount for nonprofits. 100%. Oh my goodness. That's huge. That's wild. And social impact organizations, social enterprises. That's really incredible. So you don't have to. So that's additional discounts for eligible nonprofits and social enterprises in lower middle income countries. But this is incredible. 100% off for all of these. That's wild. Wow, that's really impressive. Um, they've Atlassian's been continuing to do really incredible stuff when it comes to nonprofits. That's absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go shout that out really quick because I can't believe it. I'll get back to that. Okay, yeah. Um, Back over here too. I'm in so many places at the moment. Let's see. Yeah, this is really wild. Jira, Confluence, Loom, or the whole teamwork could. Okay, okay, for up to 25 users at no cost. So for small organizations, especially. Wow, wow, that's really great. For small organizations, this is just incredible. Um, that's just amazing. Okay, now I'm back. I needed to post about that. It's too cool not to. Um, yeah. So what else has been going on? That's a pretty cool find. It's nice to be back. Nice to be back. And it looks like they had more stuff going on. Let's see here. What was else in that blog? So again, and then anybody on top of that can get 85% in lower middle income countries off the standard and premium editions and apps. That's incredible. So yeah, this is really great. This is just really great. Really appreciate this work. Good job, Atlassian. Thanks for pushing this forward. What else have we got now? Let's see. It's a new digital series where people are going to be going through Rovo at work. Who is this? Is this an Atlassian person? It is. They're showing videos about how people are using Rovo. That's pretty cool. There's a whole blog, but there's also on their channel, the Atlassian channel. Great stuff to watch. I always check out that channel. Oh, somebody wants to know if you're going to RovoCon Austin. I'm not. It's in Austin. And Atlassian is returning to Team on Tour there. That's great. Let's see what else we got here. App Central. I should remove that. Oh, I haven't seen it yet. It looks like there's a contest going on creating uh there's a contest for custom content, custom onboarding. Interesting. I hadn't seen that yet. For those Jira Cloud admins who want to show off their custom onboardings, you've got a chance. There's some cool things happening here. There's also the Rovo skills for admins. That'll be interesting. Also, there's definitely, the seasonal release, which Atlassian is going to be kicking off. They're going to be doing 3 seasonal releases, spring, summer, and autumn. This will batch releases. So the major user-facing features will be shipped. So that should help. They'll only be shipped during those 3 release events. It won't be so crazy and constant. That'll be a little sad for me. What am I going to have to post about all of the time now? Or like, what am I going to do with my book? But yeah, a lot of stuff we're in here. Oh, paid research for admins using sandboxes. Check that out. They've been doing. We got another Forge App Jam coming. When is that? I think it's this Friday. Is it? No, it was today. Of course it was. I was busy, but I bet that App Jam was amazing. And make sure you check it out on YouTube because I know that it's going to be pretty cool. Katarina is amazing, and she builds incredible stuff. What else we got going on here? Let's see. Let's get back to the main page. The release notes for the community, things that have been being fixed there. Man, App Central. Let me remove App Central from this feed. Because, friends, I'm telling you, there's about 1 billion of those. But I don't even remember how to do that. Because they don't make it easy on here. Yep, I guess we're just going to keep rolling with it. Got things to write. Everybody wants to tell you things that they're doing. Their community's building out a lot of stuff. It's hard to keep up even. Um, in Rovo, you can win a ticket to Team US just for showing how you already use Rovo. Don't miss it. Feels pretty cool. Max of 5 minutes in length. Show off the Loom what you're doing already. Man, the App Central thing, like I don't understand. It's just nonstop, like so much stuff. Ooh, authentication via API token for the MCP server. That's very neat. And that's very cool. Oh, what is this? Oops, no, we got to do in this one. Okay, let's see. Preview panels. So they're getting this detail view, which let you quickly preview work by opening the selected item on the right-hand side. Jump in the detail view. The new default will be this preview panel. Huh. That'll be interesting to see what that's like. Yeah, I know, friends. And if any of you are out there who want to join, let me know. It's just me talking to myself. This Friday, though, we're going to have Karen White, Principal Product Marketing Manager for the Forge team, talking about everything that happened at Atlas Camp. So don't miss it. What else we got here? Well, Aaron wrote, new research on the state of strategic portfolio management, requirements management. I think this is particularly interesting. What can Rovo do for migrators? Or how I learned to stop worrying and love the robot army. Aaron is one of my favorite people. Um, so you can use Rovo to understand the problem areas, give you reports, flag risks early. Um, it can help you map and transform stuff. Can standardize naming conventions. Remember that you can use the Rovo connector to connect in data center. So that's a really powerful thing if you're moving from data center to cloud. Runbooks, analysis reports, architecture overviews, pre-migration checklists, client-ready explanations of decisions, and the troubleshooting to figure out what the problem is. And your project, yeah, lots of good stuff here to help you. Atlassian is continuing to add information for analytics. That's good. And new insights and charts for focus. There's some new events coming up. What's happening here? And who are these Atlassian experts they're telling us about? Oh, these are probably folks. Let's see here. Straight up from, yeah, Atlassian is providing you some really powerful stuff about how to do migration. These cool upcoming events. Interesting. These are their internal people. Onboarding success. All of this. That's great. We missed that one. Oh wow, I didn't. Yeah, some of these are a little older here. Getting started with Jira. Um, Rovo, Confluence, Jira, and Rovo for customer service management, modern collaboration, how to work with it. Oh, they're finally doing some stuff with the system at work. System of work. Well, that's the first time. Finally, I've been doing those for a while. Here it is. Here it is. User permissions for agents. So not everybody can access your Rovo agents. That's really wonderful. Oh, Exalt is looking for a new consulting team lead. Well, that's interesting. I'll hold on to that. Oh, in Germany. If you live in Germany. Oh, Squeaker, you're out there. What else is going on here? Any other shout outs from Atlassian about the work they're doing? Oh, cloud to cloud data transfer, Rovo connectors for data center. I'm really interested about how this works. Okay, so they have, yeah, I'm really intrigued about the data center connectors. Huh. You do have to have one of these larger products here, though. Hey, Rodney. Hey. Hold on, I have to go get a dog. Come on, Squeaker. I'm still here. I'm just grabbing. I grabbed a dog down here. Amy. Okay, I'm back. I didn't leave because you showed up, Rodney. Also, Rodney, if you want to join me on stream, you're welcome to. Kythra, if you want to join me on stream, you're welcome to. Let's see. Rodney, I was talking about exactly. Oh, yeah, which puppy? Squeaker, come here. Squeaker, everybody wants to see you. Hi. Here's Squeaker. She says hello. She's going to become a Jira expert now. That's her new job. She's going to put us all out of work. She says she's ready to get down. There you go, Squeaker. Yeah, like I don't have anything like hot today to talk about. I'm just like landing myself back in the seat at the moment after being off for a month and a half. Um, I'm in the middle of data center stuff now. Oh yeah, friend, I understand. I'm a little toast on words as well. Friday though, Friday, make sure to be around. If you can join from, I guess what is the time going to be? It's going to be 1 to 2 Pacific, 4 to 5 Eastern. Yeah, 3 to 4 Central. We're going to have Karen White, the principal product marketing manager for Forge, on to talk about everything that happened at Atlas Camp, which would be really fun. What else has been going on? Oh wow, the new Relic MCP for Rovo Ops. I haven't looked into Rovo Ops yet. That's a new thing that is in JSM. Observability in JSM powered by Rovo. That's kind of interesting. Oh, customer sentiment for JSM. I mean, write an add-on for this, buddy. Like, so Atlassian has sentiment positive, neutral, negative. Oh, interesting. Like a priority suggestion banner. Sentiment is negative. Consider raising priority, moving to an escalation queue. We could probably, honestly, we could vibe code the shit out of this. We could fully vibe code this. Should we vibe code this? Should we? Should we vibe code the native sentiment thing? Like, this is an automation. Lena, hey. Yeah, it is slowing down some, but I'm actually like, I don't know, this is interesting. Like, this person just said this, and now like I'm really interested about taking this idea and I'm gonna throw it into I like am literally going to yeah, it really is. Like, okay, cool, we're doing it. We're vibe coding, friends. We're freaking vibe coding. Here we go. Ah, oh man. All right. So like what I like to do, sort of the way that I start is these days I like to chat with Claude initially. And what I'm going to tell it to do is write a spec for Claude Code to create a Jira Service Management add-on. I haven't tried anti-gravity yet. That will meet the following requirements. And actually, before I do this, what I should do, okay. Before I do this, we should connect an MCP. I mean, should we do? Man, we should probably do this with Rovo Dev, shouldn't we? Like, let's go all the way. Okay, let me open VS Code. I haven't touched Rovo Dev in a hot second because I'm so familiar with Claude Code. It's where like I tend to live all of the time. Actually, let's do this. Let me go here. Let's go to settings because what we want to do actually is we want to do a connector. We want to do okay. So the Forge MCP is here. Cool. Yeah. No, we don't want to block it. Cool. Great. Well, oops. All right. Write a spec for a Jira Cloud, Jira Service Management. Hit the button too early. Take that out. And then make sure to use the Forge MCP server. Cool. Okay, so now the Forge MCP server is live there. We'll turn off Claude and Chrome for this one. Okay. I guess these days I could just go to code. This is really wild. Like, this is the thing. I guess I can just go over to code and go local, create a folder. This is just really weird that this is something we can do today. Okay, where's my stuff? Here we go. Code stuff, projects, Forge, new folder, AI sentiment, JSM AI sentiment. Cool. Let's see how this goes. Great. There it goes. It's using the Forge MCP. We don't have anything in there today. So it's just going to have to like write its own stuff. Always allow. Yeah. I don't know if they've updated the Forge MCP for Forge LLMs yet. We'll find out. We can't read that stuff. That's This is going to be fascinating. There it goes. Forge LLM APIs. It's got it. Okay. Okay. Which also reminds me, in this folder, let me go cheat really quick. Right. I'm like, oh, right. I have to make sure that the Forge CLI is updated correctly. So let me do that while it's thinking. It's doing all this while it's thinking here. Lena, what do you think about anti-gravity? Like, how have you found it? Okay. So now, who's crazy old man? Okay, I'll have to check it out. That sounds really great. I have too many Atlassian accounts. So where's that one? There we go. Okay. This profile needs a, there we go, security, API tokens. Yes, now it's going to send me an email for my API token. Friends, why are we not all doing passkeys and the only thing there? There we go. Ah, we got answers to make. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely going to do this. All right, so here's the plan we've got, friends. It's going to use the Forge CLI Well, it won't use the CLI. It's going to just write all the freaking code, which will be wild. We'll see how well that goes. It's going to create a panel. It'll give opt-in config. Ooh, but you know what? Hold on. Sentiment settings, admin page. Okay, we'll give it this first run. This is the first initial thing. It's not going to do... Oh, escalation rule entity. Interesting. So it's not using automation for that. Huh. It's going to write a custom escalation logic. All right, cool. Here we go. Core domain logic. Oh, check project config for automation rules. Okay, cool. Let me just ask, do we... Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, Forge login. Right, I just created an API token. Did I save that API token? I have ADHD, so we're going to find out if I saved that API token. I did. Oh, good job, me. Sweet. We're logged in. Do I have a JSM project on my site? Let's see. What apps do I have? Sorry, let me share this whole screen, friends. We're having a lot of... Okay, add new. I can add another one. Oh, wow. Okay. Here. Okay, we do have JSM here. We surely do. What else did it ask us? How do I switch this? Oh, maybe it's just when I move. No, how do... What is the secret? Oh. Okay, I don't understand why that worked. Yeah, but how do you switch them around? I don't know the answer. That's interesting. There we go. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Do I have a JSM project on my site? Like a project? Probably. Let me open it. I think I do. Let's go back here. Here we go. All right, spaces. We don't have projects anymore. This person said project. This, no, not customer service. Let's do, this is going to be an IT team. Of course, it's an IT team. That's who I am today. Great. So we'll open that up. We'll go back to Claude Code now. Cool. All of those are in there. Thanks, friend. Okay, so now I have updated here. And before it starts, we're going to, well, nothing. Where is that part? Okay. So let's go to my terminal. And let's drop in Forge Create. Ah, that was an accident. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It'll rewrite the template. Thank you, Claude. Okay, now we're going to turn off the terminal. And we're going to get back to Claude Code. And we're going to go ahead and approve the plan. Oops. Okay, it's probably not going to like. Oh. Mm. Okay, let me go clean this up because I made a mistake. Sometimes we make mistakes, friends, and it's okay. So I'm going to go into, well, I'm going to try to go into this folder. Ah, okay, cool. Hold on. This is what we can do. Oh, right. This, and it creates a folder inside a folder. Okay, now I need to choose Jira Service Management UI Kit. There's so many things now for people. Like, okay, so now it's working that out. Let me switch back to chat. You guys are probably talking. Let me see, maybe. Oh, you went to go get boba. Lita went to go get boba. Okay. So now, did it finish? All right, it built it up. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and tell Claude Code to get going. Here it goes, building us a whole vibe coded thing. This is one of the craziest things is now it's going to do this and it's going to, we're just going to wait. This is the weirdest part about AI right now is we're just going to let it do things. Oh, Kaithra. Oh, you can't see all the chat. Huh. Yeah, I don't understand. Yes, it goes to dev. Each character locally confirm news. Go for that. Okay, yes. Always allow for the session. And like I'm doing it right now where I'm letting it because I'm working on my machine. I'm letting it go ahead and like make me ask for permission each time it does. Um I do a lot of my coding these days in stateful sandboxes in the cloud. Oh, Kaithra. Okay, weird. But I do that because it means that I can do whatever I want. And if it blows up, it's fine. But because I'm working locally, uh, I'm being a little more thoughtful today instead of normal. This should be wild, friends. I have no idea if this really works this well. I'm going to lose my mind because I'm not sure we should have this type of power. That's all I'm going to say. Should we stay here and watch it do its thing? Or should we go look at more um, things in the forums? Or what? What do y'all think? Oh man, it just built the whole infrastructure layer. Here it goes, writes all this stuff with the key value store integration. Wild. Now, the thing is, things might not work, but it has one of the things about the plan, like the plan has a test. The plan has, like, that's what's wild, is it's going to test this stuff too. Oh, I can view, oh, cool. Ooh, okay. So yeah, like it's gonna, and here it shows how it's gonna do it. That somebody adds the comment on the portal or the email, and it fires the updated trigger. The backend will fetch the comment via the REST API. It'll ask if the author's a customer. No, skip them. If they are, then classify the sentiment and the confidence. Store the result in Forge key value store. So we get per issue sentiment history. Then store it in an issue property for filtering, which is interesting. This whole thing about issue properties is a really powerful thing in Jira. Now, we didn't used to have these things, but now like you can just like store things on an issue that don't show up, but like are things you can refer to. So we get the sentiment and the confidence, then we can read the issue property. Um, and like if the confidence is greater than the threshold and an automation is enabled, then update the priority and log the audit entry. And always the issue panel reads the last sentiment and renders the banner. Wild. I did this, and now it's going to do this stuff here. It's going to configure the manifest like it talked about. Let's see. And now it's still working back there. It's going to build all of this stuff, which is so easy now because it's Forge LLMs. You just call LLMs inside Forge. You don't have to wire up your own API stuff, any of it. You just do it. And then it returns. Oh, right. The output is like this: sentiment, confidence, reasoning. The LLM will only classify customer frustration signals, not technical severity. So it returns structured JSON with confidence score and reasoning. And then you can, oh, yeah. Oh, something happened. Oh, maybe I got confused about where it was. I love that. The glob returned empty. All right, now doing the domain layer. All 4 services in parallel. Terrifying. But here it goes. I crashed one of my systems once that I was working on because I ran 4 agents and Git work trees in parallel. I don't even really understand how Git work trees work. Rodney, you probably know. I'm sure Lena knows. Um, but yeah, like the interesting part here is this comment filter. So when you update the issue, you get all the comments, you compare the latest comment against the stored last analyzed pointer, and then you check if the comment author is a customer or an agent. So this is how it determines, oh, wild. You don't need a Jira automation rule. You just update the priority. Oh, wild. And then if there's no data, it'll show the sentiment analysis. And then if it's positive or neutral, ooh, green or gray lozenge. Interesting. And then there's going to be the suggestion about what you should do. Huh. So we get to decide. Interesting. Wow. Here it is, Forge lint, test. It's going to write tests for us. What? This is the crazy part now, is that it just writes tests. We'll see how good it goes. But like, It's just wild. And how's it going? Let's see. Like, look at this. It is building these pieces. And then it checks the format to make sure before it does the work. I don't understand. This AI stuff is ridiculous. Oh, now creating all 3 front ends. Okay. Jesus. It's too fast. And honestly, friends, if this works, I'm just going to release it open source. Because why not? Didn't take me a lot of work. And people should be able to use these things and not have to pay. Where's Aaron? He should be here today. I'm going to message him. Who's DMing me? Ah, cool. Yay. Okay. Right. I want to message Aaron. Ah, got it. Smart. All right. It's linting. Ooh, how'd it go? Oops, there's some things that need to be fixed. What did it say? Show more. Yes, lint needs to be fixed. Yep. Oh, I forgot that I have RovoDev enabled. That's got to be confusing. RovoDev is in. I'm running an AI inside of an AI. That's really funny. Oh, still some problems. We're going to see if it can pull it off. Excellent. Damn, it worked. What? Okay, what do I, okay. Ooh, several type errors to fix. So now it's going to go fix those. Wild. We might really have a Forge app when we're done with this, friends. Can you hear me? Yeah. This is kind of nuts. Okay, friends. Apparently, we can now deploy. That seems silly. Okay, so we just need to do a Forge deploy e-development. Oh, I need to, I know the problem. Deploying the code. Ooh, we did get an error. Wow. It's really, we just need to remove a single field, a single line, but it's fun. To just let the AI do it. There you go. Okay. Rerunning the deployment now. Oh. Okay. I need to. Oh no. Forge LLM requires the EAP. I thought it was okay. Hold on. Well, friends, it turns out I can't uh need the app ID. Hold on. Here's the app ID. Well, I've applied now for the EAP. I didn't think about that before. Surprise. That makes it a little harder. Um, so unless I can find somebody from Atlassian that's currently at work who can solve this problem, but I don't think there is anyone. Oh, Katarina. I don't know if she can help. I don't know, but I asked. I think so. We basically got there, but we can't deploy it yet until Atlassian approves our app ID to install, which is kind of funny because maybe I should have checked that originally. But hey, friends, we're vibe coding. So we basically got there. We'll have to see if it fully works after we're done. So that was what we did. Apparently, we need the API endpoints for EAP. So that's annoying. But we did basically build it. I guess we'll just have to wait until we hear back from Atlassian to confirm that we actually were able to build this whole thing, which I guess is cool because if we did it all in one day, that's kind of wild. Wow. I just was working on another project too. Added 268 lines, deleted 33,000 lines. That's wild. Will it let me push directly to main? Oh, yikes. Man, Cloud Code is so much better than other things. Like I've tried Cursor. It couldn't figure out how to run things at all. I don't know if anybody's still around. You all have gotten very quiet in the chat. I mean, I've also gotten very quiet. There's 5 of us now. Even more of you. More than before. That's cool. Yeah, I'm kind of annoyed. It didn't end. We have to wait. I'm trying to see if I can find anybody who can push through an integration for me. But like, the only person who's around is Katarina, and I don't even know if she can. Um, Anything else anybody want to do? Because you can hear me, Kaiser. That's good. I mean, Kaiser, we're gonna get to do more fun things next week. It's more D&D. Um, wow, that's incredible. No, listen, I understand. I'm also still on. Well, my new job. I'm on data center. Yeah, I feel that. It's really wild what is possible these days. Okay, okay, cool. Anything else you want to wrap with, friends? Or we might wrap just a little early. Um, as I'm still playing around working with things. Cool things, Lena, something I want you to know. Hopefully you still hear this or I'll text you about it. But the 23rd of March, we're going to be hosting an event in LA at uh, the Preserve in combination with Blue Sky. And we're going to be talking about some cool things that are happening on Blue Sky, the cool Atlassian stuff, but also what it looks like when you blend enterprise with social and how you might want to do these things. Oh yeah, you're about to strip our environment from 8 add-ons down to 2 GC with the yeah, government cloud. Yeah, absolutely. That's real. That's real. We were just having I work in an IL5 environment. So was just having conversations recently about that move, which won't happen for a few more years, but they're working on it already. And so that's going to be a large piece there. But yeah, I'm working on some social login stuff to enable, especially new cloud spaces with CSM, to use social login from places like Blue Sky, because there's so many people there who are doing are working in a lot of these spaces. A lot of nerds, you know. Hmm. What's it cost? Oh, it's only 1,500. And does it certify me in like ACC or anything? Yeah, no. People are funny. Yeah, there's just like so much in cloud. I can't really. It's. I am glad they're going to 3 releases a year because it has been a little wild. I'm working on like 4 different ideas right now. Claude also just did like so many new things. Like we can't keep up with all of the things that people are releasing constantly. Yes. $10. Man, when therapy's $10, your life is good. All right, friends. I mean, well, yeah. Tawhid, do you have anything else? We got like 20 minutes left. I can't do anything else about the Claude stuff, but we'll see what happens next week when hopefully I get a response about this stuff getting approved, which would be neat because then I can show you guys how it pulled off last week. Like, so next week, make sure to come back 3:30 to 5:30 every Wednesday now. We'll be here. Tell your friends, share it. Oh, and go follow the clinic on LinkedIn. This is really important. Okay. I need more followers. So go follow the clinic. How do I do this? Oh, not yeah. Uh, how do I share my page? I have to post things on the page too because it would be helpful if I did that. It's just a lot of things to do. I was really glad that you showed up today, Tawhid. That was pretty cool. So thank you for that. All right. Yeah, here's the link for the page. I don't know if you guys can get this because it's weird about grabbing links, but that's the link for. Okay, that makes sense. Share it with your friends, invite them. I'm going to start making more posts on there so that we can take ideas from people for the clinic. Yeah, absolutely. So, like, thank you for showing up. It's always really appreciated. And I think, how many more people do we have? We got to go to until I got to get a few more folks, and then we can do lives from the page, which would be really good. So, like, thank you all for showing up. Have a good. Everybody's inviting us to newsletters again these days. I see. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, right. This is the thing. Um, Marquita called it too. Hey, hey. All right, friends. Be well. Take care. Every week we'll be here.